Welcome to SQL Database Management, Mastering Data Organization. In this presentation, you'll learn how to control, query, and manage data like a pro, unlocking the full potential of your databases. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, the standard language for relational databases. It's used to store, retrieve, and manipulate data, making it an essential tool for data management. SQL skills are crucial because databases power almost every software system. Whether you're a data analyst, back-end developer, or IT support, SQL is easy to learn and powerful to use, making it a valuable asset in your skill set. A relational database organizes data into tables with rows and columns. Each table has a primary key, and tables are linked through relationships, offering a dynamic and structured way to manage data, similar to spreadsheets but more advanced. SQL is versatile, commonly used to store customer data, manage e-commerce transactions, log user activity, and analyze data to generate insightful reports. Its applications are vast and impactful across industries. Understanding key SQL concepts is vital. Tables store data, queries retrieve specific information, joins combine data from multiple tables, indexes speed up queries, and constraints enforce data rules, ensuring data integrity and efficiency. When comparing SQL to Excel, SQL excels in handling large data, automation, data relationships, and security. While Excel is limited in these areas, SQL provides robust solutions for complex data management needs. SQL commands are categorized into DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, and DQL. Each serves a unique purpose, from creating and altering databases to managing data transactions and queries, offering comprehensive control over data operations. SQL powers tech careers by enabling data analysts to clean and query data, back-end developers to integrate apps and databases, QA testers to validate workflows, IT admins to manage systems, and BI professionals to build data dashboards. The SQL query lifecycle begins with a query sent from the interface, optimized by the SQL engine, followed by an execution plan. The query runs, retrieves data, and the output is returned to the user or application, ensuring efficient data processing. For beginners, optimization tips include avoiding select, using indexes wisely, normalizing data to reduce duplication, using explain to troubleshoot, and setting up regular backups and test restores to safeguard data. Self-taught learners can practice SQL by creating a movie rental DB user login/profile system, a mock e-commerce inventory, a weblog tracker, or conducting CSV analysis with SQLite, enhancing their practical skills. Explore SQL tools and resources like DB platforms such as dbeaver, Azure Data Studio, and MySQL Workbench. Practice with databases like Chinook and Northwind, and utilize tutorials and books to deepen your understanding and expertise. SQL skills boost your resume for entry-level IT, data, and software jobs. As a high-demand, cross-functional skill, it can lead to roles in analytics, cloud computing, and back-end development, offering significant career advancement. To excel in SQL, practice daily, start small, and scale up. Stay tuned for more videos on SQL queries, design, and tuning as we continue to explore the vast possibilities of SQL in tech. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay tuned to How to Tech with JGT for more real-world IT skills. Join us on this journey to master technology and enhance your career prospects.